Ever feel like you've seen every gadget out there? Well, prepare to be proven wrong. Today, we're counting down the coolest, most mind-blowing gadgets you've probably never laid eyes on. If you love discovering next-level tech, hit that subscribe button right now. And remember, links to everything are down in the description below. Let's get into it. First up, say goodbye to scattered tools and cheap plastic cases. This is the Ferrec 180-in-1 precision screwdriver set, and it completely redefines tech repair. Inspired by container architecture, its futuristic, ultra-organized shell opens up to reveal 162 magnetic bits, crafted from high-hardness, CRV, and S2 steel. Whether you're repairing a phone, a laptop, or heavy household items, this kit has every single specialized bit you will ever need. It even features an innovative sliding handle module with a threaded silicone grip for total precision, alongside a detachable extension rod for those impossible-to-reach spots. If you take pride in fixing your own gear, this sleek, heavy-duty kit is an absolute masterpiece for your workspace. Next up, if you content creators or outdoor junkies want to capture truly hands-free immersive POV footage, you need to check this out. This is the Telesin 360-degree rotation magnetic backpack clip mount. Unlike ordinary static mounts, this beast combines a powerful, heavy-duty clamp with a rock-solid magnetic base, allowing you to instantly snap your action camera onto backpack straps, clothing, or any metallic surface. Its full 360-degree ball joint rotation means you can seamlessly switch between vertical and horizontal framing on the fly. It's fully compatible with GoPro, DJI, and Insta360 cameras. Plus, Telesin offers matching ecosystem accessories like their long-range Bluetooth remote control and comfortable silicone neck mounts. If you want ultra-stable, creative angles without carrying a bulky tripod, this pocket-sized mount is an absolute game-changer. Next up, prepare to give your smartphone a literal superpower. This is the Goyojo mobile thermal imaging camera, a pocket-sized device that instantly gives you high-definition predator vision. The flagship GW340 model delivers a mind-blowing 512 by 384 Super IR resolution with a smooth 25 Hz refresh rate. What makes it better than bulky traditional thermal scanners? It requires absolutely no internal batteries. Just plug it into your phone's Type-C or Lightning port, and it's ready to work. It accurately tracks temperatures from a freezing -20 degrees, all the way up to a scorching 400 degrees Celsius. Whether you're hunting down hidden plumbing leaks, diagnosing an overheating circuit board, checking home insulation gaps, or experimenting with outdoor night vision, this gadget puts professional-grade diagnostic power right in your pocket. Next up, if you're a frequent traveler or digital nomad, this next gadget is going to save you tons of packing headache. This is the Tessan 65-watt GAN travel adapter. Instead of carrying a massive block of different international plugs and phone chargers, this all-in-one powerhouse covers you in over 150 countries, adapting seamlessly to Type A, I, C, and G outlets across the EU, UK, USA, and Australia. What makes it way better than standard adapters is the built-in GAN tech. Packed into its tiny frame are 2 USB-A ports and 3 Type-C ports, with a single port output pushing a massive 65 watts of power. That means you can fast charge your phone, your tablet, and even your MacBook all at the same time, straight from a single outlet. It supports up to 2,500 watts for your main device, meaning no more choosing between charging your laptop or using your hairdryer. It's the only wall plug you'll ever need to pack. Next up, if you take pride in precise DIY, woodworking, or construction projects, throw away your old bubble levels. This is the Shahe 2-in-1 digital angle finder and level gauge. Built with a premium, heavy-duty aluminum frame, this compact device delivers absolute precision with a resolution of 0.05 degrees. What makes it way better than standard levels is its incredible versatility. It features powerful built-in magnets on all 4 sides, allowing it to snap firmly to any metallic surface at any orientation. It effortlessly handles both relative and absolute measurements, converts seamlessly between angles and slopes, and includes a handy data hold function. Best of all, you don't have to keep buying disposable cells. It features a built-in rechargeable battery that juices up easily via a modern Type-C port. It's the ultimate pocket-size accuracy upgrade your toolbox deserves. Next up, level up your desk setup aesthetics with a gadget that is as functional as it is incredibly stylish. This is the Duka Mooda Smart Desktop Thermohygrometer and Clock. Moving far away from boring traditional desk clocks, this retro-futuristic companion features an ultra-clear digital display that gives you high-precision, real-time tracking of your room's temperature and humidity levels. Crafted from a lightweight yet durable ABS material, its real charm lies in its playful design, complete with satisfying physical buttons and a neat, expressive reminder layout. It's the perfect desktop anchor to help you maintain a comfortable, optimized work environment while giving your entire workspace a massive visual upgrade. If you care about your desk vibe, this clever little smart sensor is an essential piece of eye candy. Next up, if you're tired of your laptop dying when you're working on the go, this absolute powerhouse will solve that forever. This is the Baseus Energeek 145-watt power bank. Packing a massive 20,800 mAh capacity, this heavy-duty battery is completely airline-approved, making it the ultimate travel companion. What sets it apart from standard sluggish power banks is its incredible dual-port speed, blasting out a combined 145 watts of power, split into a 100-watt and 45-watt output. That means you can fast-charge a MacBook and an iPhone simultaneously without breaking a sweat. It can charge up to 4 devices at once, features a smart digital display to monitor your exact battery status, and even includes a built-in LED lamp for emergencies. It's pure, portable, pocket-sized electricity. Next up, if you own a modern smartphone or laptop and find yourself constantly running out of storage space, this next tiny gadget is an absolute lifesaver. This is the Hagibis 230M2 NVMe SSD Enclosure. What makes it way better than standard external hard drives is its ultra-compact, direct plug design combined with active cooling. It features a built-in active cooling fan with a manual switch to eliminate thermal throttling and prevent lagging during massive file transfers. Utilizing a blazing fast USB 3.2 Gen 2 interface, it delivers high-speed transfer rates up to 10 gigabits per second, allowing you to read and write files close to a massive 1 gigabyte per second. It supports up to a 2 terabyte capacity expansion. Wrapped in a protective silicone ring to absorb shocks and drops, it's the ultimate pocket-sized storage upgrade. Next up, gamers, prepare to elevate your gameplay with a controller that leaves basic gamepads far behind. This is the GameSir G7 Pro Zenless Zone Zero Edition Wireless Xbox Controller. What makes it an absolute game-changer compared to standard controllers is its cutting-edge TMR joysticks and Hall effect triggers. Using advanced thin-film magnetic resistors, these joysticks are entirely immune to wear and tear, completely eliminating the nightmare of stick drift. It also packs a micro-switch D-pad for tactile clicks, built-in gyro motion control for immersive aiming, and a stunning premium semi-transparent shell. Best of all, it comes with a dedicated charging dock that uses a sensor-based system to keep your setup clean and your controller constantly topped up and ready for battle. It's the ultimate competitive edge for serious Xbox and PC players. Next up, if you think all pocket flashlights are the same, this micro monster is going to completely change your mind. This is the Wurkkos HD03 mini clip light. What makes it way better than your standard keychain light is its unbelievable versatility and raw power. Despite its pocket-sized, mech-inspired design, it blasts out a maximum of 680 lumens of bright light and features over 20 vibrant RGB light modes. It's uniquely engineered with a powerful magnetic clip, a lanyard hole, and a design that easily mounts onto your cap, backpack, or belt for true hands-free use. Plus, it offers an incredible endurance of up to 36 hours of runtime on moonlight mode, complete with smart temperature control and overheat protection to ensure it stays safe in your hands. It's the ultimate everyday carry light that proves big things really do come in small packages. Next up, if you want to turn your bedroom into a deeply relaxing, futuristic oasis, standard humidifiers won't cut it. This is the STONEGO Jellyfish Aromatherapy Humidifier. What makes it way better than standard mist boxes is its mesmerizing visual modes. It features a unique dancing jellyfish spray setting that shoots out perfect, delicate mist rings, alongside a standard direct spray mode. Even cooler, it has a built-in sound pickup sensor, meaning the jellyfish mist rings will actually bounce and dance in perfect sync with your favorite music. Operating at a whisper-quiet 28 decibels using advanced ultrasonic technology, it packs a 250 milliliter water tank that runs for over 8 hours, a 7-color ambient light system, and an automatic safety shutoff. It's the ultimate combination of home decor, aromatherapy, and visual audio sync. And that wraps up the most amazing, unique gadgets you can find right now. Whether you're looking to upgrade your mobile storage, step up your content creation game, or build an epic retro desktop clock, these tech upgrades completely deliver on performance. If any of these caught your eye, all the product links are listed below in the description box to help you find them instantly. Don't forget to hit that like button if you discovered something cool today. Smash that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.